Ever been stuck between the fear of missing out and waiting for that golden opportunity? I certainly have. I watched heart in mouth as this stock on my watch list kept soaring. In those moments, I was reminded of Warren Buffett's words of wisdom, where he mused about the billions in profits he lost as he waited to buy more of Walmart on a dip while the stock soared to new heights. We've all experienced, one day or another, the dilemma of either jumping in or patiently awaiting a drop. Sometimes we get both. Stick around as I share my recent roller coaster ride with IonQ, a stock that's making waves. From a low of just $3 at the end of December 2022 to a jaw-dropping $20 in early August of 2023, IonQ has certainly had quite the journey. That's an astonishing 566% increase in just over 7 months. But what is IonQ? For those new to this name, IonQ stands at the forefront of quantum computing, a realm of technology that threatens to turn our understanding of computing on its head. Imagine a computer so powerful that it's 158 million times faster than most of today's supercomputers. That's right, 158 million times. This is not some science fiction tale, but the promise of quantum computing. Traditional computers, even the powerful ones, rely on bits with a value that can either be a 0 or 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use qubits, and these can be in a state of 0, 1, or both simultaneously due to a phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum computers to process a massive amount of possibilities at once. This potential is staggering, and companies like IonQ are leading the race to unlock this potential. We added IonQ to our watch list back in Q4 of 2022, when its stock was trading at around $5. But by the end of December, the stock took a nosedive to near $3. It's in moments like these that stocks pique our deepest interests. As investors, we're often on the lookout for value, and this seemed like it might just be the opportunity. But while the price dipped and seemed alluring, human psychology kicked in. We always tell ourselves, we'll buy the dip. Yet when it actually happens, the fear of more downside makes us freeze. Doubts cloud our judgment, and the looming question, what if it goes even lower, paralyzes our decision-making. The unpredictable nature of the market, combined with our own emotional responses, makes investing a challenging game to master. And in just over a month, its stock didn't just recover. It nearly doubled. At that point, I told myself I'd wait for a significant dip before buying. But sometimes, stocks don't play by our rules. IonQ went on a relentless march upwards, smashing through one recent high after another, until it reached around $20 on August the 1st of 2023. It's fascinating how emotions evolve during such times. FOMO isn't just a catchy term. It's a genuine feeling, especially when you watch a stock you've had your eye on take flight without you. And for me, that FOMO had been growing since the beginning of the year. It's a test of patience and strategy, and sometimes it's about taking calculated risks. So when IonQ dipped by 10% right before releasing its Q2 2023 earnings, I couldn't resist anymore. I took the plunge and bought in. But as the stock market often reminds us, there are no guarantees. Over the next 2 days, IonQ slipped another 7%. While some might see this as a moment of regret, I saw an opportunity and doubled down, buying even more shares. But here's what really gets our hearts racing about quantum computing and IonQ. Quantum computing isn't just a fad. It's a technological marvel with the power to reshape our future, especially when you factor in its applications in artificial intelligence. Quantum computing promises to speed up the complex calculations behind AI algorithms exponentially, unlocking unprecedented capabilities in machine learning, data analysis, and prediction. In essence, it can be the key that supercharges AI, taking it from a jog to a hyperspeed sprint in terms of potential and transformative power. As for IonQ, it isn't just another company dabbing in quantum computing. They're pioneering a distinct approach known as ion trapping without diving too deep into the quantum rabbit hole. This technique, while intricate, offers a possibly superior method to harness the raw power of quantum computing while sidestepping some of its inherent challenges. For instance, the fundamental operations of quantum computers have been realized with unmatched accuracy in trapped ion systems. While other architectures grapple with scaling challenges, trapped ion methods shine, showing promise in their capacity to scale up for larger qubit operations. What is truly impressive is that IonQ achieved their 2023 target of 29 algorithmic qubits a full 7 months ahead of schedule, as they inched closer to 64 algorithmic qubits and quantum advantage. Both public and private institutions are displaying immense interest in IonQ's technology. For Q2 2023, the company reported revenues of $5.5 million, representing an exceptional growth of 111% from the $2.6 million generated during the same period in the previous year. While revenue soared, the company reported a net loss of $43.7 million for the quarter. On the surface, this figure might be alarming, but it's essential to view it in context. IonQ boasts a robust cash and cash equivalents position of $509.2 million as of June 30th of 2023. This healthy liquidity position provides IonQ with the required resources it needs to continue its technical advancements in short and medium term. The company also secured a remarkable $28 million in new bookings during the second quarter, bringing the year-to-date total to $32.2 million. Their revised bookings forecast for the year stands at an impressive range of $49 million to $56 million, a year-over-year growth of over 100% at the midpoint, indicating robust growth and substantial interest in their quantum computing offerings. Looking ahead, the company has raised its revenue outlook for 2023 to between $18.9 million and $19.3 million as IonQ anticipates considerable system sales in the upcoming 18 months, each tailored to the specific requirements of its diverse clientele. The latest revision to their full-year revenue guidance comes after the company already upped its guidance in May. It is a testament to the accelerating demand for quantum computing solutions that IonQ has to offer. IonQ has not only demonstrated its technical prowess, but has also showcased an impressive ability to forge partnerships with influential industry leaders. These relationships provide more than just endorsement. They emphasize the real-world applications and demand for IonQ's quantum solutions. For example, IonQ expanded its partnership with Hyundai Motors as the two entities focus on advanced machine vision algorithms for 3D data interpretation from autonomous vehicles, enabling sharper object detection and smarter decision-making on the roads. The aerospace titan, Airbus, collaborated with IonQ to explore improvements in aircraft loading. Airbus envisions quantum computing to drive efficiencies, especially in cargo distribution. But that's not the sole objective. In the longer run, Airbus aims to employ quantum algorithms for diverse applications, from fuel optimization to improved aerodynamics. IonQ also secured a $13.4 million contract to provide the U.S. Air Force Research Lab access to its leading-edge trapped ion quantum systems. This isn't just a commercial milestone, but a testament to the national importance of quantum research. The collaboration aims to bolster the development and application of quantum algorithms, furthering American interests in national security. It's also worth noting that IonQ stands out as the sole company with its quantum systems available across all major cloud platforms like Amazon Braket, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. This widespread accessibility ensures that a diverse range of developers, researchers, and industry pioneers can effortlessly tap into the transformative capabilities of quantum computing. As we wrap up our deep dive into IonQ, It's crucial to underscore the inherent risks associated with such frontier technology investments. Despite IonQ's promising trajectory, there's no guarantee of the technical breakthrough necessary to unlock the full potential of quantum computing. The high-risk nature of this investment cannot be emphasized enough. Our position in the stock mirrors our long-term investment horizon, our willingness to weather the storms of technological uncertainties, and our belief in the transformative power of quantum technology. However, each investor's circumstances, risk appetite, and objectives are unique. We strongly advise consulting with an investment professional before making any investment decisions. Always remember, the information we provide is just that, information, not financial advice. We'd love to hear your perspective. Do you believe in the long-term potential of quantum computing? Are you researching and excited about the prospects of other quantum computing leaders than IonQ? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, go ahead and hit the like button. Share it with fellow investors and subscribe to our channel for deeper insights into promising technologies and companies. Until next time, happy investing!